Welcome to Pinoy Techman. So today we're gonna vlog this Swiss card Lite. There's a 13 functions. This. So this is the back part. This is the tools that it can accommodate the 13 functions. So as we open it, there is a 13 functions. So I'll show you. This is here, the ball pen. I put it out. There's a tweezer here. This is the magnifying glass. The knife is here. Letter opener and the scissor. It's the most important. And this tool, we put it out here. It's flat screw, Phillips screw. There's different kind, Phillips screw, and many more. And then this, what's nice is there's a, you can see there's a battery here because this is a LED flashlight. So that is the 13 functions that this has, the Victorinox Swiss card Lite. Thank you. Please like for more gadget reviews. I hope you like the review.